Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Snowflake OAuth and SSO setup for users, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Snowflake OAuth and SSO setup for users, begin by logging into your Snowflake account as an administrator. Navigate to the Account tab in the Snowflake interface. Locate the Security menu and select OAuth to review your existing configurations. Ensure that the OAuth settings are correctly configured with the appropriate client ID and client secret. Next, check the list of registered applications to confirm that your application is present. Open the details of the application to verify its redirect URI is accurate. Now, move to the Single Sign-On settings under the Security menu. Examine the SSO configuration to ensure that the SAML settings are correctly implemented. Make sure the identity provider, IDP, metadata URL is accurate and accessible. Download the IDP metadata XML file for further verification. Open the downloaded XML file and confirm that the entity ID matches your Snowflake account. Verify that the assertion consumer service URL in the XML file aligns with your Snowflake endpoint. Review the certificate in the XML file to ensure it is valid and correctly signed by the IDP. Navigate to the Users section in Snowflake to confirm which users are configured for SSO. Check the role assignments for each user to ensure they have the necessary permissions. Log out of your Snowflake account to initiate the OAuth or SSO login process. Try logging back in using the SSO link provided by your IDP. If prompted, enter your SSO credentials and complete the authentication process. Upon successful login, verify that you land back in the Snowflake environment seamlessly. Check the user role and permissions after logging in to ensure everything is functioning properly. For any issues encountered during this process, review the Snowflake documentation for OAuth and SSO troubleshooting. If necessary, consult with your IDP support to resolve specific authentication problems. Repeat these steps for additional user accounts as needed to ensure full verification of your setup. Once all tests are confirmed successful, you have successfully verified your Snowflake OAuth and SSO configuration for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.